In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite collaborators to your Emergent AI project. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link so teammates, stakeholders, or testers can interact with your project and give you feedback quickly. First, open your browser and go to Emergent. Sign in if you aren't already, so you land on your Workspace home. This home view is where all of your projects, sometimes called sites, are listed. If you manage multiple projects, take a second to confirm you're opening the right one. Clear naming and thumbnails help here, especially when you're collaborating with a team. Next, click your site to open it. This loads the project dashboard and gives you access to its key tools. We're heading straight to a live view so others can experience your build the same way you do. Now, click Preview. Preview is a safe, interactive environment that mirrors how end users will experience your AI project, including chat flows and UI elements. It's the perfect place to validate behavior and collect early feedback without granting edit access to your workspace. With the preview open, look for the Share option. Click Share to open the sharing panel. This panel is designed to quickly create a link that anyone you choose can use to access the preview. It's ideal for reviewers who don't need to modify your project, but do need to try it out and respond with comments or issues. Before sharing broadly, glance at any notes or labels in the panel so you understand exactly what the link provides. Typically, view and interact access to the preview, not editing rights. Click Copy Link. You'll see a confirmation that the link is on your clipboard. From here, paste it into your preferred channel, email, team chat, a task thread, or a document. To streamline reviews, consider adding a short message about what you want collaborators to focus on, such as a specific flow, prompt behavior, or a UI change. If you want to broaden your reach, you can also share directly to social platforms. The Share panel includes quick options for X, Facebook, or LinkedIn. Use these when you want public testers or community feedback. Just remember, social sharing makes your link more visible. If your project includes private data or early stage ideas, choose private messages instead of public posts. That's it. Go to Emergent, open your site, switch to Preview, click Share, and copy the link, or use the built-in social buttons. A quick tip: test the link in a fresh browser window to see exactly what your collaborators will experience. Happy building and happy collaborating.